Welcome back to my channel again. I am so excited. Today I'm going to finally show you guys my favorite lashes. I know I reviewed a couple of months back some of my good lashes I do wear also from Amazon. I did also purchase another one, but I've been using these for a couple of months already. So these are so pretty, they're gorgeous, they're glamorous. Oh my god, you guys will love them. I promise you this. I know there's like a lot of like high-end lily lashes like and tarte and all that stuff, but these are very inexpensive and they are beautiful. They are cruelty-free. They're synthetic fiber. There are like 3D layered lashes. They are just so beautiful. Like, I cannot stop saying that. But anyway, these are the Alice FAUX Minx lashes, and I did purchase 4 of them, which is this one and this one and these 2 here. And I will show you guys how they look on me, and I just, oh my god, they are just so nice. But anyway, I'm gonna give you some little pointers about them. I did write them on a paper, so let's get to it. Alrighty. Okay, so these are the Alice FAUX Minx, and like I said, these are 3D layered false lashes. The quality of these lashes are synthetic fiber, which are very, very real cruelty free. You know me, if you guys have seen one of my first reviews of the eyelashes previously, I do not like to wear anything that is not cruelty free. I love to support my animals. I just love them. I need to wear my lashes to be cruelty free. And these guys literally are it. And for the price, that are $7.98. Yes, $7.98, guys. They are phenomenal. So they are very soft and comfortable to wear. They are not that dramatic. I mean, they seem dramatic, but promise they're not. They will fit any eye. You do have to trim a little bit of the edges. I did have to do that. My eyes are just slightly medium almondy, if you could say. But I had trimmed them, so I needed to fit that on my eyes. But some of you guys don't need to trim them, so you guys are so lucky. But anyway, wait, let's see a few more. So like I said, they are soft and fluttery and full. The band is quite not thick or thin, so it's just like in the middle. I do like my bands to be a little thick so I could like have that control of it, because the flimsy ones, oh my god, I have no clue why I have trouble on putting them on. They're just so flimsy. So my bands are thick, so I just love them like that. They're very controlled, so you know. So yeah, so basically, yeah, I hit that, all these points on them, and I did put a little bit on the screenshot just to, you know, for you guys to have an idea where I got them. That, you know, here, Amazon. I'm going scrolling into the eyelashes, and boom, I'm showing you guys each of them right now. So anyway, let's get to it and show you guys all these beautiful lashes. Alright guys, let's get to it. Alright guys, so these is the Queen lashes, and these are the dramatic ones from the collection. They are very pretty. They're not so dramatic, and they're just so perfect for a date night or, you know, a special occasion. Very pretty. I love these. These are like my favorite ones. Now we got the princess ones, and these are the glamour ones from the collection. These are very, very pretty. Just like a simple, not so dramatic lashes. Very pretty. I love how they separate and they're like very like they have volume. Very nice. Next lashes I'm grabbing are the fairy ones, and these are the wispy ones. I really like these for like my work week and just, you know, a normal type of day at the office, you know. This is really pretty because like I love that how they separate and they make like this little edge right here on the corner, like a little cat eye look. Very pretty. Now the next one I'm grabbing are the angelic ones, and these are the volume ones. These ones are going to give you a little bit more of a volume, and I think also a little bit of like a dramatic, not so dramatic look, but it's just, it gives you that oomph on your eyes. So these are very pretty. This is it. I reviewed each and every lash I own. I just love these so much. You guys have to check these out. I promise you guys will love them. I promise you. Just like I told you, I don't review just because. I review it because these guys are one of my favorite ones. They're very affordable, and I just want my community and my family and friends to know that they are a lot of affordable stuff in Amazon. And they seem cheap, no, but for the price, for these guys, is amazing. Like, props to Amazon, literally props. I'm glad I found you guys, and I am excited to purchase more. And yeah, so I'm going to link those down below so you guys can check those out, and I will see you guys on my next video. And please like and subscribe, and don't forget, guys, to push that notification button for my next video. Alrighty, love you guys, bye.